Going to see IGCSE specimen paper 5804 paper 4. It's a calculator extended paper. Okay, you will go to the question. Formulas are being given here. So starting first question. Okay, write down the integer value of x that satisfies the inequality -2 less than or equal to x less than 2. Okay, so if it is less than or equal to symbol is there, we have to include the number there. So it's -2 comma -1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2. All these value will be, so sorry, 2 will not be there because it's not equal to, okay, until 1. Yeah, this is the first question. Okay, so answer is -2 comma -1 comma 0 comma 1. This is the answer. Okay, second question. In a triangle PQR, QR equal to 10 centimeter, okay, and PR is equal to 11 centimeter. Use a ruler and a compass only to construct a triangle PQR. The line PQ has been drawn for you. Okay, so the line PQ is given. So from P here to R, we have to mark a arc of 11 centimeter. Take 11 centimeter, I am drawing by hand. So here 11 centimeter I am drawing it, and from Q mark as 10 centimeters. Okay, it will intersect at a point. Now join these two lines. Okay, they are asking to make a triangle. One minute. Yeah, I have drawn a little bit slightly, but this is the way you should be drawn. This is R. Okay, so PR is 11 centimeter and PQR is 10 centimeters. Okay, can we go to the next question? It's simplify x power 8 y power 7 divided by x power -1 y power 3. Okay, I'll write it here. So it is x power 8 y power 7, okay, in divided by y power 3 x power -1. So when we go to the top, it will become plus. Okay, so it is x power 8 minus of minus become +1 here. So y power 7, there from down it is going up, so -3. So it is x power 9 y power 4. Okay, this is the answer. So fourth question, f of x equal to 3x minus 5. The domain of f of x is -3, 0, 2. Find the range. So when we want to find the range, just simply substitute the x coordinates in the domain of f of x. We will get the range value. So for this, I'll substitute the f of x value into the equation. So f of -3, we are substituting. So in the first equation, so 3 into -3 minus 5, which is equal to -9 minus 5, it is -14. Next one, f of 0, so 3 into 0, okay, -5, so it is -5 alone. Next, f of 2 we are doing, so 3 into 2 minus 5, it is 6 minus 5 equal to 1. So the answers are -14 comma -5 comma 1. Okay, next question. The fifth question, the two towns A and B, okay, are shown on the map. The scale of the map is 1 centimeter equal to 3 kilometers. Find the actual distance between A and B. Okay, when we measure, it is coming around, A to B is coming around 11 centimeters approximately. So to the scale, when we convert, okay, this cent, when measuring in scale, it comes to 11 centimeters. So 1 centimeter equal to 3 kilometers. Therefore 11 centimeter is equal to 11 into 3, it is 33 kilometers. Okay, its actual distance is 33 kilometers. Measure the bearing of B from A. So B, okay, we have to measure the bearing of B from A, this point, so this angle. Okay, this angle we have to measure. So how much is the angle we have to measure? How to do? This is one more data. This has been there. Okay, so this is given. How to measure the angle? It is 180 minus 120. This is 120 degrees. Okay, put the protractor there, measure the angle. It comes around 120 degrees. Okay, 120 approximately. I am getting it. Calculate the bearing of A from B. From this side you have to measure this angle. Okay, you must show all your calculations. So we know the total length is, total sum of the angles is 180 degrees. So we know one angle bearing of A, so it is 120. So therefore it is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, next question. A solid metal cuboid has a volume of 600 centimeter cube. The base of the cuboid is 10 into 12. Calculate the height of the cuboid. So volume is given. Volume of cuboid formula is length into breadth into height. So length and breadth are given here. Okay, so 10 into 12 into height we don't know, but we know the volume as 600 centimeter cube. So on multiplying 10 into 12, it's dividing by here, we will come this side. Okay, 600 divided by 10 into 12 equal to h. This 0 gets cancelled. Okay, 12 divided by here, it is 5. So automatically h is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, a solid metal cuboid is melted and made into 1200 spheres, each of which its radius is 0.45. Find the volume of the metal not used for making the spheres. So radius is given. Okay, so we give the volume of sphere formula. So volume of sphere formula is how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube. We will substitute 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. They have given r, so it's made. Answer is around 0.38151 centimeter cube. This is volume of one sphere. Okay, remember that. So we want the volume of 1120. It is they have asked. So how much two spheres? Okay, so 0.38151 into 1120, it comes around 427.29. Okay, centimeter cube for these total numbers. For this one, this is the volume. Okay, so total volume equal to total volume minus volume of 112 spheres. So total volume is given here. It is a continuation question. So 600 centimeter cube minus 427.29, so which is 172.71 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer. Sorry, centimeter cube. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Next question. Okay, on any day the probability that it rains is 1 by 3. When it rains, the probability that Amira goes fishing is 3 by 5. When it does not rain, the probability that Amira goes fishing is 3 by 4. Okay, in a period of, first question, in a period of 60 days, on how many days is it expected to rain? Okay, so how will we do? Probability of raining is 1 by 3 they have given. Okay, so for 60 days they have asked, so 1 by 3 into 60, so it is 20. Okay, it is 20 days. Answer, it is expected to rain. Okay, question number B, complete the tree diagram. So it is 1 by 3, so we have to make a total of 1. So 1 minus 1 by 3, it is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. So this is 2 by 3. Okay, again, now if she goes for fishing, yes, this is 3 by 5. So remaining will be 1 minus, okay, 1 minus 3 by 5. So it is 5 minus 3 by 5, it is 2 by 5. So this is 2 by 5. Okay, so here if she is not go for fishing and no raining, then it comes to the conclusion when does not rain. Okay, no condition when does not rain, so it is 3 by 4. So this is 3 by 4. Again the same question, 1 minus 3 by 4. So 4 minus 3 by 4, it is 1 by 4. Okay, this is 1 by 4. We completed the tree diagram. Okay, find next question. Find the probability that on any day Amira goes fishing. So going for the raining condition and fishing condition. So now we are going to take these conditions. Okay, on a rainy day, if she goes for fishing, it is 1 by 3. Okay, and goes for make it in a color. This is 3 by 5. Okay, this is one condition. Okay, plus, and she's next thing is one more probability is 2 by 3. Okay, if she no goes for fishing, then 2 by 3 into this one, it does not rain, so it is 3 by 4. Okay, so cancel these things, so it is 1 by 5 plus 2 by 4, it is 1 by 2. Okay, so it is equal, I will make it as 1 by 2. So automatically your answer is, on getting a common LCM, it is 2 plus 5 divided by 10. So automatically it is 1 minute equal to 7 by 10 is the answer. Okay, next question. 8th question, on the grid draw the lines y is equal to x. This is if y is equal to x and x plus y equal to 7. So y is equal to x. If y is 0, x is also 0. Y is 1, x is 1, same line it will proceed. Okay, so from here it will pass through all the midpoints and reach the top. Okay, this is 1 point for y is equal to x. This is y is equal to x equation. Then one more is x plus y equal to 7. If x plus y is equal to 7, I will write it here. Okay, if x plus y equal to 7, put x is equal to, or substitute x equal to 0, then y is equal to 7. So it is 0 comma 7, 1 point. Substitute y is equal to 0, then it is 7 comma 0. So we will mark these points. Okay, it is 0 comma x is 0 and y is 7. This is 1 point, and another one is y is 0. Okay, x is 7. This point we have to draw these two lines joining. Okay, I'll draw simply. Okay, okay, this is the two lines. Okay, this graph is, I'm writing here, it is x plus y equal to 7. Okay, two graphs we have drawn. Okay, first thing is completed. Can we go to the B question? If the region R satisfies the three inequalities, y is greater than or equal to 0. Next one, y is less than or equal to x, and x plus y is greater than or equal to 7. So first condition, if y is greater than or equal to 0, or y is equal to 0, because it's also there. So this is the condition, y is equal to 0, this graph. This is the graph. So anything below this will be taken into account. Okay, y is less than or equal to x. So below this line everything will be counted. Okay, because it is less than x. Okay, then I will draw here. Okay, this is one condition for this graph is y is less than or equal to 0. Okay, next thing, y is less than or equal to x. So y is less than, oh sorry, this is for y is equal to greater than or equal to 0. Okay, then one, y is less than or equal to x. That what I have drawn here, I made a mistake. This is y is less than or equal to x. This graph I have drawn in the wrong way. This is below line. Okay, I confused. This one we have made. Now x plus y equal to 7. That graph is there. Okay, this is x plus y equal to 7. Greater than or equal to 7. So greater than or equal to 7 line will be here. Okay, above this condition. How can I draw this graph? Okay, and one more thing for this one, y is greater than or equal to 0 this way, above these conditions. If you see where these all points meet together, see this area, all this gets intersected at these points. All three equation gets their inequalities clash here. So this is the region you have to take into account. Okay, I make it with a different color to note it down. Yeah, I will make it up to this point. Okay, this is the graph for answer. Okay, next question, 9th one. The diagram shows the speed time graph for a car journey. Okay, find the deceleration of the car between 10 and 13 seconds. So deceleration is formula is, acceleration formula is v final velocity minus plus initial velocity divided by time taken. For deceleration we will make it as, because it is reducing to 0, so it is negative to instead. So initially it starts from final velocity, it comes to a stop, so v is equal to 0. Okay, initial velocity, it starts from 8, so it is v minus u by t. So 0 minus 8 divided by time taken is 10 to 13 seconds. So 13 minus 10, so it is 0 minus 8 divided by 3. Answer is, I will make it as 8 by 3 meter per second square. Okay, next question, calculate the total distance traveled during the 13 seconds. Calculate the total distance traveled during the 13 seconds. So it is area under the graph. So one part is this one, area 1. This will be area 2 we have to calculate. For area 1, it is a rectangle and this one is a triangular part. So for area 1 rectangle is length into breadth we will take it. So length is 10 into 8. Okay, next part it is 80 we will make it. Next one, area 2 is triangle, so half into base into height. So it is half into base is 8, height is 8, base is 10 minus 13, so 3 here. So it is, how much it is coming? I think 4. Okay, when we cancel it is 12. So this is 80 centimeter square, this is 12 centimeter square, area under the graph. So automatically, okay, so in time 13 seconds they have asked. Okay, so it is 80 plus 12. Okay, I will calculate here, 1 minute, no space, I will do it here. It is 80, this is 12, so 80 plus 12 equal to 92 meters. Okay, next question, factorize 2x plus 6 minus 3x minus 9y. So I will write this way. Okay, I will write here 2x minus 3xy. Okay, or otherwise we will write this way, 2x plus 6 minus 3xy minus 9y. Take the common thing 2. Okay, it is x plus 3. Okay, next if you take 3, okay, 3y we will take it. If it is, then it is minus, if you take minus of minus become, okay, then it will become x minus 3. Minus of minus become plus, so plus, yeah, it is x plus 3 and 2 minus 3y. This is the answer. Okay, next question, 11th question. Okay, here the universal set number is 20 given, and n of a union b complement is 3. It is also given here, and n of a is 10 and n of b is 13. The Venn diagram shows some of these informations. Okay, so I'll write a as 10, n of a, so n of b is 13, and n of a union b complement is 3 given, and universal set number is 20. Okay, so we have to find out n of a intersection b. So this part we have to calculate. So I will write this one as x. So this will be 10 minus x here, then plus x. So 10 minus x plus x will give 10. This is n of a we will have. So for n of b also I will minus this one. So it is 13 minus x plus x. So it is 13. This is n of b. No disturbance for n of a and b, so that we will find out the n of intersection part. Okay, so how will we find out? It is 10 minus x, okay, plus 13 minus x plus x intersection alone they are asking, so plus x, then this 3. Okay, we have to include. So it is plus x minus x gets cancelled, so it is 13 plus 3 plus 10. Okay, it is 26 minus x equal to, we have to equate to universal set 20. Only have to have 20, but we are getting extra, so your x value will be 6. Okay, so your x value is 6. Here it is 6. The universal set number x is equal to, this one is 6. Okay, now next part. Okay, it is n of a complement intersection b. For this question, how will we find out the answer? It is, find these values. It is 10 minus x, so 10 minus 6 is 4. Here 13 minus 6 is 7. So n of a complement b, this part alone we will get the answer. So here, okay, this part alone for the second question. So the answer is 7. Okay, next question. The height is centimeter of each 100 students is measured, and the table shows the result. Okay, h is centimeter. Okay, so for the first thing I'll write the frequencies at the top. Okay, 100, 150, so it will be 125. It is 155 because 150 to 160. Here 160, 165. Simply this one, 160, 165, add it together. Okay, divided by 2, it is 162.5. Similar way we have to calculate the mid value. Okay, and the last one is 175. I have calculated the intermediate values. Now we have to find the estimate of mean. It's simply sigma fx divided by 100. Okay, this is the formula we have to apply. So here it is 125 into 7 plus 155 into 30 plus 162.5 into 41. Okay, I will erase this part. Show the calculation. Next one, it is 175 into 22 divided by 100. So your answer is around 16037.5 divided by 100, which is equal to 160.375. Okay.